Well, first of all, Happy New Year. And I want to take a minute to show you something. I made this ulu for my granddaughter a couple of years ago, and as you can see, or hopefully you can see, it's starting to get some patina on it. So what I want to do today is just kind of show you how to clean that patina up and make it back to new. So we will take a piece of 1000 grit sandpaper and just sand away. And we're a little over halfway on that, so I think you can see the difference in the steel. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. All right, then what we're gonna do is just take a paper towel, and for kitchen knives or about any of the knives, I always like a little olive oil or just vegetable oil. And all we're gonna do is just rub that on. And we'll take another towel and just gonna dry it off. A little bit of oil on occasions. Just remember, hand wash, hand dry, and a little oil on occasions. Thank you very much for watching, and Happy New Year.